Today, let's talk all about doTERRA's wild orange essential oil and what it's good for. doTERRA's wild orange is a great oil to help uplift the mood and cleanse and purify surfaces. It also helps support a healthy immune function. Now, have you ever grabbed an orange and just ripped into it, and that smell in your fingernails coming from the orange? That is actually the essential oil. So the essential oil comes from the peel. It's cold pressed from the orange. This essential oil is high in monoterpenes, making it ideal for supporting healthy immune systems and fighting off oxidative stress in our bodies. There are a few ways that I love to use wild orange essential oil at home. One of the ways is because it has a high limonene concentrate. It is great as a natural cleanser and cleaner for your home. All you need is a few drops of this essential oil in some white vinegar and some water. Shake it up and spray it around your house as an all-natural cleaner so you can ditch those chemicals. You don't need those extra chemicals in your home. Plus, this saves you a lot of money. It ends up only being 4 cents a drop. You can actually use this oil to help boost your circulation and overall health. This oil is a great natural support for your blood pressure. You can place just 1 drop in your water. I like to do it in the morning, and 1 drop is all you need. Now remember, oils and water don't mix, so they're not going to emulsify in together, so you might need to shake it up before you drink it. Because of the high limonene content, this oil is also great to diffuse, to uplift the mood, and to increase the energy levels. Plus, it just smells incredible. Now, a great combo I want to share with you guys to help energize your body is equal parts mix wild orange, peppermint, and frankincense into the palms of your hands. Rub those hands together, and then inhale deeply around your nose and your mouth. And rub the back of your neck to have a boost of energy and to uplift your mood. Now, a caution with citrus oils, that citrus oils can cause us to be a little bit more photosensitive, which means that we can maybe burn a little bit more easily in the sun when we use these oils topically, which means on the skin. So if you're using them on your skin, just be aware of this and make sure that you cover up and take the necessary precautions that your skin's not going to get burned if you are a little more sensitive to the sun when you are wearing them. These are a few of my favorite ways to use wild orange essential oil. I want to hear how you guys use it. Share in the comments below your favorite ways to use this oil and share with everyone in our community so they can start learning too the amazing benefits of using wild orange. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next video. These are a few of my favorite ways to use wild orange.